This video I will explain how to install the software and how to uninstall the software on Windows operating system and Mac operating system. What is software? Software is a program or app that you can install on your computer to do different tasks. Examples of softwares are web browser, game, video player, antivirus, etc. Now we will see how to install the software on Windows operating system. First, you have to download the software from the website or App Store. You will get the file ending with .exe. For example, setup.exe. You have to double click the file to open it. A setup window will appear. Then you have to follow the steps shown, like click on Next, Install or Agree. To complete the installation, you have to click on Finish. After installation, you will see the software on your desktop or Start menu. For example, installing Google Chrome, you have to follow the below steps. Go to the Chrome website, click on download the software, then open the .exe file, click on install. Now we will see how to install software on Mac operating system. First, you have to download the software from internet or App Store. You will get the file ending with .dmg. For example, setup.dmg. You have to double click the .dmg file. A Windows will open. You have to drag the app icon into the application folder. To launch the application, you have to open the applications folder and click the app to run it. Now we will see how to uninstall software on Windows operating system. You have to click on Start menu, then go to the settings. There you have to choose apps. You will see a list of installed programs. From that, you have to select the app you want to remove, then click on uninstall, then click on uninstall again to confirm. Now we will see how to uninstall software on Mac operating system. First, you have to open the applications folder. Then you have to find the app you want to remove. Then right click on the app and choose move to trash. Then empty the trash to fully remove the app. Some apps may need a special uninstaller. Always check the app's website. Now we will see important tips. You have to only download software from the trusted websites. Always read what you are installing. You should not click next too fast. If you don't need program anymore, it is good to uninstall it to free up the space.